Hello?
Hello, I'm Jared with Platinum Pest Salon. We're doing it. Hello.
I don't know how you work so fast. Still, you'll be done way before me.
Like, shut it in there!
Get it down, get it down.
Get it here! Abandoned ship!
Hello?
Hey, it's me. I'm
Oh, okay.
Cement.
Okay.
Sorry.
That's all right. I just heard abandoned ship. I was making sure something was okay.
You're fine. Sorry about that.
It's all right. Hello?
Hi, it's Sam.
I'll be right there.
Thank you.
Can I help you?
UPS.
I'll be right there.
Thank you.
Thank you, Arden.
You're more than welcome. I was just thinking that you might be in there.
Hello?
They're not here.
Can I help you?
You're locking the door now. Now you're locking me out. I don't know what it is. It just ring. And I pressed it. That is security camera? That's a camera. Oh. Girl Scout cookies.
Hello, can I help you?
Hello?
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, we are Jehovah's Witnesses. Would you like to...
No, thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Have a good day. Can I help you? May I help you?
Hello, Mom.
Oh, good grief. Don't scare me half to death. I'm going to go to the bank and to Publix.
Okay. Have fun. Love you.
I love you too. How on earth do you see me? I didn't ring the bell.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Don't have to ring the bell. Love you, Mom.
Love you too.
Bye.
Bye.
He was a long way from home. Yeah. We're glad to help.
We're glad to help.
Oh, very
God, for 4 days.
You've been gone for 4 days? Oh, my God.
We've been posting everywhere. You have no idea.
Sophia, what are you doing? She's on the front yard. Sophia, what are you doing? Get inside.
I can do it.
Babe, she's literally outside.
Did you shut the garage door?
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
Because I just seen I didn't hear it. Oh, my goodness. Thank you.
Very well done.
Oh my gosh, I am totally shocked.
Hello? Can you leave it on the front porch by the door?
Sure.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Hello, sir?
Are you here to pick up the car?
Yes.
Hey, I'm actually at work, but the key is underneath the floor mat right there.
Oh, wow, that is so cool. I like that. Alright, got a package here for a Lake Shop.
Lake Shop?
It's
Oh.
158 Goreville.
That's our
here,
house.
but it's not the right address.
Who is it from?
It's coming from Wacky Stuff Inc.
I mean, it could be my husband or something, but Lake Shop.
There's also
that's not my
COD
name.
That's for me. You there?
He says it's for him.
Oh, is it? Yes, my
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm familiar with the Ring product.
Perfect. Okay, we're at my son's baseball game, so we're not home, and I got a call that the thing went off. I'm not sure if it's just my Roomba, or does it look like the garage door is shut, right?
Yeah, the garage door's shut. Your front door's locked. You do have a package here. Do you
Yes,
want me to leave it
I
on
saw
the-
FedEx. I saw FedEx deliver that. That's probably okay. Do you want to just the front? Yeah, can you put it over there?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hey, everything looked good on the inside.
Everything looked okay inside?
It looks good.
Okay, I can still hear my alarm going off.
Yeah, I just set it off again, checking doors.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and turn it off remotely from my phone.
Okay. Well, we're gonna take
Thank you. Thanks for checking it.
We can get all four of them.
Hello?
Hey,
Yes?
is Slim? Is this
You got the wrong house, man.
Is the barber shop next door? I mean, the barber next door?
I don't even know anything about a barber. So you got the wrong house, dude.
Who's living here?
Huh?
Do you know Slim?
No one no one lives here with that name.
Oh, okay. Hello?
Hey,
Are
stop
you
that.
okay?
Leave my house or I'm calling the police.
Okay, what you need to do...
Hey, leave my house. Stop now or I'm calling the police.
Why would you tell me that?
Because you're trying to push my door in. Leave now.
I'm about to smash what's in there.
I'm calling the police.
Can I help you?
This is Jesse here.
You have the wrong door. No one by that name lives here.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
We won't hit her hard. We might hit some little
They
things.
ain't got no security.
What's that?
That's the thing I just smashed. They're gone.
They got a deadbolt.
Not the back door. Well, it might be a back door one. Hello? Hello? Amanda?
I miss you too.
So if you want to say hello to me, just push the doorbell, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.